Economist, Profesora Rose Balasa, Alvin Lopez. So, ang natanungan ko po, sino po mga partner ng EDREC, National Agency po, yung sa operating. At saka yung magkano pong package bawat kit para sa mga disaster purpose kit.
In terms of yung mga tie-up po namin on promoting this one, of course, the local government, very strong tie-up with the local government. Nandun din po yung local NDRRC. Nasabi ko po kanina, of course, we're very lucky that your mayor, Ronel Rivera, is very supportive on this initiative. Of course, yung local NDRC nyo po na si Sir Bong Desera will be talking about later as well, ito po din. And then, of course, the city councilor, Roel Bobby Pacquiao will be there po. So, very strong tie-up here in Jensen of your local force, no, when it comes to risk and management team, no. So, they're very active on supporting us with this one.
At syempre, huwag po natin kalimutan ang Emergency Research Center. Siya po yung si Louie. Hindi po namin siya, spokesperson. Resource person lang po namin siya. It's a non-government, non-profit organization. Hindi mo sila pwedeng bayaran. Naman sila pang-community doon. Hindi mo sila pwedeng bayaran. Talagang advocacy lang po nila talaga tumulong.
For the investment po sa Balde, I can't really put a number to it kasi if your life depends on it, priceless yung buhay natin. When you build your Balde, it's customized po sa inyo. What you think is important dyan, bigay nyo lang.
Yung sa policy, sa samanas, kailangan kasi ng information,
I'm not sure of the question, but if I'm hitting the name right, I'm not sure of the question, if I'm hitting the name right, but siguro po yung press con ko nga po sa NGO, nakita ko po yung partner pag press con is for people like you to educate others na meron palang kayang gawin na technology for all of us to prepare.
Okay, so again, maraming salamat.